Imagine you're a student, a freelancer, or simply someone looking to organize your life. You need a tool that's powerful, flexible, and, most importantly, free. Have you ever wondered if Notion can be your go-to solution without breaking the bank? Notion has taken the digital organization world by storm. Its versatility, from note-taking to project management, has made it a favorite among many. But the question remains, can you enjoy all its features without paying a dime? Diving into the free plan, let's break down what Notion offers in its free tier. First and foremost, you get unlimited pages and blocks, meaning you can create as many notes, databases, and other content as you need. You also have access to basic templates to kickstart your organization. While the free plan is generous, there are some limitations. For instance, you're restricted to a certain number of database blocks. Additionally, you may encounter some limitations when it comes to advanced features like syncing across multiple devices or using certain integrations. The premium plans. To unlock the full potential of Notion, you'll need to consider one of its premium plans. These plans offer additional features like unlimited database blocks, advanced search, and priority support. While they come with a cost, they can be a worthwhile investment for those who heavily rely on Notion. Is the free plan enough? The answer to this question depends on your specific needs. If you're a casual user who primarily needs a place to jot down notes and ideas, the free plan might be sufficient. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive solution for project management, collaboration, or knowledge management, you might find the premium plans more beneficial. Tips for maximizing the free plan. Even if you're on the free plan, there are ways to make the most of Notion. Here are a few tips. Organize your workspace effectively. Use folders and subfolders to keep your pages organized. Leverage templates. Take advantage of the built-in templates to get started quickly. Explore the community. Connect with other Notion users to learn new tips and tricks. So, can you use Notion for free forever? The short answer is yes, but with some limitations. If the free plan meets your needs, then there's no reason to upgrade. However, if you require more advanced features or want to unlock the full potential of Notion, the premium plans might be worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.